Xiaomi is all set to shock the world. So, you might have seen the legendary Mix Z with 18.6% screen-to-body ratio, Mix 4 with no tool-side bezel, and in-display selfie shooter, their latest folding phones, and their tri-folding concept. But Xiaomi, they won't stop there. And now, they are working on Xiaomi Mix Z, which is coming next year. You guys can now join our Discord server for exciting wallpapers like this is in the works and news coming in. From Yogesh Chun and Smart Prick, suggest that it is going to feature no border or bezel, but an all-screen display without any physical keys. They say Zhuque might use a combination of gesture controls, pressure, sensitive edges, or even voice commands. So it's going to be something similar to the concept or Xiaomi showcase a few years back. The Mix Z will be paired with Qualcomm 8 Plus Gen 4 chipset, code name 8775, which we may see around mid-next year. This silicon will be based on Or architecture and likely higher clock CPU cores than the standard 8 Gen 4. Xiaomi is going to be a flagship device and for sure will cost a lot. The Mix Z was priced $199 yuan, that is $2,800, but now went on sale because of some issues. But Xiaomi this time is going to pull this off. We may see this futuristic device. For all they say, we may see wireless charging solution for no port, so something similar to wireless AirCharge would be great. And yes, there's an under-display selfie shooter, which we have already seen in the Mix 4, so the most futuristic device is on its way. Get ready, guys. Xiaomi is all said to shock us all. Thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.